Chainsaws are versatile tools that can be used for a variety of tasks, from pruning trees to cutting firewood. For beginners, finding the right chainsaw can be challenging, as there are so many options to choose from. That's why in this video, we will be discussing the 5 best chainsaws for beginners that are currently available in the market. Let's dive into the specific models from our list of top picks and explore their key features, pros and cons. Number 1. BEI HONG 6-inch Mini Chainsaw. This compact chainsaw is perfect for beginners who are looking for a lightweight and easy-to-use tool. One of the most notable features of this mini chainsaw is its compact size. At only 6 inches in length, it is small enough to carry with you on the go and easily store in your tool kit. This mini chainsaw packs a punch with its powerful motor. It can easily cut through small branches and limbs with ease. Another great feature of this mini chainsaw is how easy it is to use. It has a simple design and is lightweight, making it easy to maneuver and control. This mini chainsaw can be used for a variety of outdoor projects, such as pruning trees, cutting firewood, and trimming bushes. Number 2. Tingmengte 24-volt cordless mini chainsaw. This is cordless, making it incredibly portable and convenient. You don't have to worry about finding an outlet or dealing with tangled cords. This feature is perfect for outdoor projects, camping, and even emergency situations. The chainsaw is powered by a 24-volt lithium-ion battery that provides ample power for most small to medium-sized cutting tasks. You can use it for up to 30 minutes on a single charge, which is plenty of time to tackle most projects. The mini chainsaw is compact and lightweight, making it easy to maneuver and use for extended periods without experiencing fatigue. Overall, the Tingmengte 24-volt cordless mini chainsaw is a great tool for anyone looking for a portable and easy-to-use chainsaw. Number 3. Styirl 24V Mini Electric Chainsaw. The pure copper motor implements a sturdy and durable direct drive system, allowing you to cut smoothly and efficiently. This mini electric chainsaw has a high chain speed of 13.2 feet. Just apply light pressure to control the position, efficient and effortless. The handheld power saws are equipped with 2 rechargeable, 24-volt lithium-ion batteries and can run for up to 30 minutes. It also features a tool-free chain tensioning system, which makes it very easy to adjust the chain. Additionally, it has a safety lock that prevents accidental startups. This mini chainsaw is designed to be completely cordless, which means you can use it anywhere without needing an electrical outlet. The Styirl 24V Mini Electric Chainsaw is small and lightweight, which makes it easy to handle and maneuver. It's also easy to store and transport, which is great if you're always on the go. Number 4. Joe SWJ803E Electric Chainsaw. This electric chainsaw has an 8-inch blade and is powered by an 8-amp motor. It also has an automatic oiling system that keeps the chain lubricated for smooth operation. The head adjusts from 0 degrees to 30 degrees. This chainsaw is designed with several safety features, including a safety switch that prevents accidental starts and a handguard that protects your hand from the chain. This electric chainsaw is designed a lightweight and ergonomic design that makes it easy to handle and maneuver. It also has a comfortable grip, which reduces fatigue during use. This chainsaw is easy to maintain and clean. It comes with a toolless chain tensioning system that allows you to adjust the chain quickly and easily without any additional tools. Number 5. IMOUMLIVE 6-inch Portable Mini Chainsaw. This portable chainsaw is compact and lightweight, making it very easy to use. It has a 6-inch blade and is powered by a 21-volt lithium-ion battery. It also features a tool-free chain tensioning system and a safety switch that prevents accidental startups. This chainsaw is equipped with an upgraded lubrication system and is suitable for various quality chain lubricants. Just pour the lubricant into the oil tank, and then you can freely lubricate the chain when necessary. Cutting wood or pruning branch will be smooth as cutting butter, which also can help extend chain life and battery operating time. This cordless hand chainsaw only weighs 2.2 pounds. The compact design makes it easy for a user to control with one hand. Multiple protection ensures your safety. This chainsaw is designed ergonomically, which can reduce pressure on fingers and wrists, and is even friendly for the elderly. So there you have it, our top 5 chainsaws for beginners. Each of these chainsaws has its own unique features that make it ideal for different situations. Whether you're looking for a cordless option or a compact tool, there's something on this list for everyone. Remember to always prioritize safety when using a chainsaw, and make sure to read the user manual before getting started.